So this tutorial looks at the challenges and opportunities to do with changing populations. And we're going to look briefly at the global and regional patterns of demographics. So globally, life expectancy stands today at 72, and that's a significant improvement, and is sometimes still seen as quite a surprise to many. So this is explained by really high life expectancy in developed regions. Currently, Europe has a life expectancy of 79, so that's in 2019. Africa's life expectancy is 62. So all regions of the world are seeing this rise in life expectancy. And alongside that, all regions of the world are seeing a decline in household size. So the map in the bottom right corner shows that pattern. So we see that developed regions, Australia, North America, Europe, Russia, they all have very low household size, fewer than 3. And then the Southern Hemisphere regions, as well as Asia, we're seeing still quite high family size, 3 to 4, and Africa countries all having really quite high, over 4, sometimes over 6 in each household. But all of these regions are still experiencing a fall in household size, and that reflects a falling, or really a sort of a slowing in the growth of population growth at the global scale. So dependency rates are decreasing, therefore, in all regions. The dependency of young people and elderly people on their active population, so that's seeing a decline. And in most regions of the world, we see a balance between the sex ratio, so the balance between males and females. Now that's understandable. Without a balance, we have to start thinking about cultural importance of men over women, particularly in terms of agriculture, patriarchy, very strong patriarchy favoring males over females. This might be reinforced by religious views, but certainly is embedded across cultures. And we still see this problem of an imbalance between sex ratio in China and India, because these two countries have huge populations. This amounts to really quite significant skews towards males. So by 2013, we're expecting to see 65 million more male than females in the age group 20 to 40 across Asia. And that's largely due to the skews that we see in China and India.